by Coral too.
Listen up, 621. The Ibis series are no ordinary weapons. They're designed to prevent coral disasters. A security measure to keep Rubicon safe. But now their original masters are long gone. Destroy it before it destroys you.
It's taking damage, Raven. You won't get many chances throwing the direct hit, but I know you can find a way.
Keep it up, 621. It can't take much more of this.
Enemy coral response. Silent.
Wait. It's coming back.
It's reactivating.
Is this what the Ibis series is truly capable of?
It's resonating with the alien coral, drawing power from its environment. It won't stop until it destroys its generator. Enemy generator compromised.
It's gonna blow. Get out of there, 621.